Hey guys, Uncle Ray. Welcome to another episode of the Cryoto Bellwether. I don't always tell you what you want to hear, but I tell you what you need to hear to make an informed decision. Guys, you need to hear me out on this video because right now we are in a pretty precarious situation with the markets. And, you know, for me, I like the charts to match up with what's going on in the macro. And right now, their charts are starting to match up. We're getting back in the bear market, and you know, a lot of people have said the bottom's been in all year long. I haven't been in that camp. Every pump we've had I've thought was a bear pump, and it looks like I was right. Now there's still a chance, in my opinion, that Bitcoin has hit the low of this bear market, but there's plenty of altcoins that definitely haven't, and we see them heading toward the all-time lows for this bear market right now. So look, Bitcoin's going down hard, and so is Bitcoin Dominance, and that's what I really want to talk about. So we're going to look at Bitcoin Dominance, and I'm going to talk about a few things, and then we're going to pull up a couple of altcoins that have been strong throughout the year, and I'm going to show you guys they're bleeding against Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin is going down and it's still more dominant than your altcoin, guys, that doesn't look good. But here's the good news, guys. I want them to bleed. Let them bleed, let them bleed, let them bleed. I hope we wake up and Bitcoin's at $10,000. Where do you think your favorite project will be then? And if you have the conviction like I have, I'm going to be stacking more. Now, guys, this video may sound negative, but guys, this is just the reality of where we are in the market. I can't be more bullish. And hopefully you feel the same way. Look, you want the markets to go down if you truly believe that your favorite projects like Bitcoin or Ethereum, HBAR, XRP, Quant, whatever your favorite project is, if you have conviction that it's going to make it through this bear market and it's going to hit, say, an all-time high in the next bull run, you should wake up every day like I do and hope that you're looking at charts that are going down. I want everything to bleed. Anyway, I'm rambling on. Let's take a look at the chart. You can see right now Bitcoin is down and we're at like 25.8. And it went down yesterday as well. But guys, here's the big news in my opinion. Bitcoin Dominance is going down. Now, here's the thing. If Bitcoin Dominance is going down, what's that going to do to your altcoins? Because in the best case scenario, like when we do finally get an altcoin season, what you're going to see is when you punch up your favorite project, which I'm going to go through a couple of them, when you punch up your favorite project, they're going to start getting stronger against the Bitcoin Dominance. Well, right now, guys, as you see on the screen, that's the Bitcoin Dominance, and it's showing that it is going down. However, that doesn't mean that they're going into the altcoins. Look at this. This is HBAR. HBAR is going down, and if we're lucky, it's going to hit a low for this bear market. But look at the Bitcoin Dominance, guys. It's getting weaker, substantially weaker, almost 5% for the day and 15% for the week against Bitcoin. So that's telling you, even though Bitcoin Dominance is going down and Bitcoin's going down, HBAR is going down more. And that's, well, depends on what side. I want to see that because I want to buy more HBAR. Look at XRP. XRP's been one of the strongest performing cryptos of the year, and it is getting hit hard as far as the dominance against Bitcoin. So that's telling you that the money, even though Bitcoin's going down, the money is flowing into Bitcoin substantially more than XRP. For the month, almost 20%. So what that means, guys, is if you say had $10,000 in Bitcoin at the first of the month, or $10,000 in XRP, you'd be down 20% your XRP compared to your Bitcoin. Now, another strong or weak token that has been, and I'm looking for a bottom, is Algorand. A lot of people ask me, is it time to stack Algorand? Well, guys, it's still bleeding against Bitcoin. It's down 4.29% for the week, about the same for the month. It's down 65% for the last 6 months, and it's down almost a point today. So it might be trying to find a bottom. Now, let's take a look at Render. Render's been a great performer, but look, and I can't wait for it to go down. I want to stack some Render personally. I want to stack all these projects, actually. As Render is going, if you look at this chart, this is Render against Bitcoin. It's going down pretty substantial. So, guys, if you're looking to buy Render or any of these projects, in my opinion, it's not financial advice, just let them go. Now, the best one that I've seen thus far, this is Kaspa. I'd like to stack some Kaspa. Kaspa is doing a little better and looks like it may be trying to turn compared to Bitcoin. It's down 10% for the week, but it's up 2% for the day. And as you can see, there's a chance that that finds a bottom. Now, if it can reverse and get stronger, it might be time to maybe do a swing trade or something like that for Kaspa. And if we're lucky, you'll start to see the altcoins get stronger against Bitcoin. Or when I say lucky, that's if you don't want to see them go lower. I personally want the dominance to get stronger and stronger and stronger. The stronger Bitcoin dominance gets between now and the halving, the more positions we can stack. And guys, it's just as important of your entry point as it is your exit point. Just like HBAR. I've been holding off telling people that, you know, you want to maybe dollar cost average in around 5 cents. Well, it's lower than that right now, I believe, or it's real close to it. And that's a great position. Anyone that stacks, in my opinion, say HBAR at 5 cents, it takes out its old high, that's a 10x. Well, if it drops to 4, that's about a 12x. If it drops to 2, guys, we're talking like a 20 plus X. So let these things bleed, guys. Let them bleed. I know a lot of people don't think this is the good times, but I truly believe right now we're going to go lower. And I want you guys to think about something, because people call me all the time, especially my coaching clients, and they're like, hey, is it time to buy? Is it time to buy? Well, I don't know. But I do know that if Bitcoin goes down and tests, even breaks 20,000, and if we're lucky, it will at least go test the low of this bear market, which would be 15.8. If that happens, guys, we've got probably 25 to 50% of some of these altcoins that are just going to crash if that happens. And for me, guys, like I said, I've been waiting for this. I hope we get capitulation. But another thought, guys, if you look at the history of September, September is historically the worst month in crypto. So that's all good. Hopefully history will repeat itself. And September is horrible. You also see a big dip prior to the halving. So we want it to just keep going down. But you got to be prepared, guys, that we could wake up with the stock market down 25%, because we are definitely in a recession. Don't let people kid you. And things are getting worse and worse and worse. The news that came out this week was not positive at all, but it was just a little negative. But Wall Street took that as a positive, because the Fed has been saying that we need the economy to slow. And if the Fed thinks the economy is slowing and the job market's getting worse, which all that's happening, they're thinking that the Fed's going to pivot. So that's why the stock market rallied this week. But short term, or shortly, maybe next month or the month after that, the profits from all these corporations and the job markets, when they get that bad news, it's going to be bad news. And then it'll probably be reflected in the stock price. Because think about it, guys. The stocks right now are pushing an all-time high. think about it. The economy is not doing well. There's nothing in America going on that's positive. There's no extreme growth, no new jobs. The jobs that are out there are not good, high-paying jobs. They're not building infrastructure. Everything is slowing down. The job markets are slowing down. I have a buddy that is in the car business. You know, cars have been maintaining and going up in value. Used cars for the first time in my lifetime. But now they're coming back, and they're coming back hard. Repos are getting stronger. We are basically at historical levels of everything that's bad that you can measure, like personal debt, corporate debt, America's debt. Everybody is in debt. And so, guys, we're in a recession. I know I'm rambling. But anyway, guys, I just wanted to bring this to your attention. And if you don't know how to look at your favorite project against Bitcoin, just type in like what's on the screen. That's Kaspa, KAS, BTC, and then it'll take you, Google will take you to TradingView, and you can see the chart. So if Bitcoin Dominance is still stronger, that means the chart's going to be going down like this one. And when altcoin season eventually comes, you're going to see all these charts reverse. But in my opinion, while they're bleeding, just let them bleed, guys, because things are getting better and better. Because I'm going to leave you on this positive note. Because here's what I know. Every project that we've talked about in this video has been being built on and has grown its ecosystem. Money's been flowing in, and I'm talking about like for developers and stuff. And when you see that, and the project keeps going down, eventually in the bull market, the price will catch up with all the work and the growth of these projects. So again, guys, I can't be more bullish. I have no doubt Bitcoin's going to make an all-time high in this next bull run. Every token that I just mentioned, I feel strongly that they'll make an all-time high. So why do we want them to kind of go sideways and slightly up? I'm not going to sell. So I want to wake up every day for the next 6 months, if we're lucky, and these things are getting pounded. That means we're going to make a lot more money. So guys, don't let it bother you that your account's going down. Hopefully you were prepared for that, and don't be in a rush to just go jump into these things. Just let them bleed. But no matter what, this is my opinion, but it's not advice, guys. I think anyone getting in most of these projects, like let's say HBAR and dollar cost average under 5 cents, once that bull run starts, they're not going to be unhappy, because there is a chance that we get some news tomorrow and these bottoms are in. But I think everything is just going to keep bleeding. So I'm excited. These are the good times, guys. That's all I got for you. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Hit that like button. And no matter what, guys, come back and be part of this community. And I know I'm rambling. Take care.